Welcome to WISE, the all-in-one tutor management software for one-on-one and group sessions. In this video, we'll walk you through how to edit and cancel sessions from the admin, tutor, and student views. Let's get started. As an admin, you have full control over who can edit or cancel sessions. To manage this, go to Settings, Live Sessions. Here, you'll find an option to allow students to cancel sessions. When enabled, students can cancel their own sessions. If it's turned off, only tutors or admins can cancel. To restrict tutors from editing sessions, head to Tutor Settings and toggle on Restrict Tutors from Editing Sessions. Admins, however, can edit or cancel sessions anytime. To do this, go to the course where the session is scheduled, tap on the session, and you'll see options to edit or cancel. When editing, you can choose to make changes to just this session or apply the same changes to all upcoming sessions in that course. Once done, hit Update. To cancel, simply tap Cancel. A cancellation form will appear. Here you can choose the credits to be charged for cancellation and add a note if you like. And the session will be canceled. When a session is canceled, students receive a cancellation email. To edit the cancellation policy, go to Settings, Manage Notifications. Here, you can add or edit your cancellation note. To inform students or parents about your cancellation terms, you can also set a custom cancellation message for each course. To do that, open the course, go to Session Booking, and edit the cancellation policy note. This note will appear when students attempt to cancel a session. Now let's look at the tutor view. If tutors have permission, they can edit or cancel sessions directly from their dashboard. Go to Courses, and you'll see upcoming sessions listed on the right. Tap on the session you want to modify. To edit, tap Edit, make your changes, and hit Update. To cancel, tap Cancel. A cancellation form will appear. Here you can choose the credits to be charged for cancellation. Add your note, and then confirm by tapping Cancel again. Finally, let's look at the student view. If students are allowed to cancel sessions, they can go to My Courses and view upcoming sessions on the right. Select the session and tap Cancel. A cancellation form will pop up. They can review the cancellation policy by tapping View Policy, add a note, and then hit Cancel to confirm. And that's it. WISE makes it simple to manage every part of your teaching experience, efficiently and transparently.